Look, 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 look.
Damn.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Put some grown man in it.
All right, let's take a look at two cars that both are coupes, both are two doors, similar in price, similar in performance. But it's a good debate here. You have a 335 IS and an E92 M3. This is a 2012 335 IS. Now these guys, they brought back a bunch of the N54 twin turbo engines that you had in the pre-LCI E90s, put them to a dual clutch transmission, did some tuning work to it, and yielded this. Some people, including us, think it's the ZHP of the E90 chassis, but pretty neat car. This one has already been pre-sold. It is sold to a good customer of ours. This will be his third or fourth BMW from us. This one has low miles, just over 80,000, and a beautiful, beautiful white on red color combo. Almost done with the mechanical reconditioning, and they should be taking delivery next week. All right, let's take a look at the second two-door coupe we got here. This one is a 2011 E92 Compact M3. This, of course, has a naturally aspirated V8, dual clutch transmission, carbon roof, competition wheels, Silverstone on red interior. These guys have just over 400 horsepower, really high rev range, just like the S54 E46 M3. And yeah, they are a phenomenal driving car. This one just came in on trade. We took this in from a enthusiast who had this car for quite some time. A lot of maintenance, a couple mods to it, but it is pretty. This is definitely a color that grows on you. October means convertible season. We've handpicked over the past couple weeks a bunch of E93, 328, and 335 convertibles. Blue on tan, 2011 328. We got a 2013 335 gray on red M Sport package with just over 80,000 miles. Next up, number 3, we got a silver on black 2012 328 convertible with the M Sport package as well. And last but not least, also equipped with the M Sport package, a really nice 65,000 mile 2012 328 convertible with the M Sport package. Wagon, 2008, 3 Series Wagon, 70,000 miles. Just listed this one back up. We sold this car not too long ago. It lived locally for just over a year and a half, and we are proud to have it back in our inventory. It comes with a stack of service records. Second to last owner was extremely, extremely meticulous, but this pre-LCI 3 Series long roof is now back in stock, and this is a rear-wheel drive unit. Long roof, rear-wheel drive, low miles. This one's gonna go quick. Check it out.
Yeah. What's up, Dad?
Chilling. Sean, what you working on?
I don't remember what I did. I don't know what we're looking at.
Would you look at that? Hey, is that a camshaft?
No, we got a Z4M Roadster with a S54 in it. Came in for rod bearings and a Vanos overhaul, valve adjustment while we got the valve cover off. UUC short shift kit. So, bunch of fun parts. The copper is the reason you change them.
Mm-hmm. I noticed that on them.
You don't want to see
Turning
that.
brown.
We just did the rod bearings a couple days ago. Sean, what else has he done?
This is sweet,
He's
I
done.
don't remember you doing anything.
Hubs, bolts, guides, seals, anti-rattle.
All that.
Everything. Everything.
Everything. I was about to say it.
Brakes, tires, windshield cowl. If there's a Z4M that I'm going to buy from one of our customers, it's this gentleman right here.
Look, 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 look.
Damn.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Put some grown man in it.
Alright, well, there's that.
Yes, sir.
You ever need somebody to talk to?
Okay. Don't just take it out on the car?
Yeah.
You all right, man? You got boss man looking at you, so you better, you know, control that breathing there.
I feel like I should have grabbed like some gloves or something, because now my hands are all like chewed from like the metal shaft.
Why are you gay?
Please tell me you got that.
I hope you did not.
What? We're just Daniel mic'd up all day.
Dan is clearly trying to show us that they are getting this car here.
Okay, so it's not here yet, but this is a unique, we had a couple really low mileage Z4M Roadsters, and this one is a 2000 M Roadster with only 54,000 miles, a Storyl blue on blue that we're gonna be getting in here hopefully in the next couple days in an enclosed trailer. The car is currently down in Pinehurst, and the owner has chosen us, Atlas Motor Company, to handle the consignment. So we are going to be finding a new home for this special car. And yeah, this is a binder, gives you an idea of the type of care. This car has been in this gentleman's care in his garage for just over 2 years now. But beginning September 2021, we have a full index of all the maintenance that he's put into it, which is close to $20,000. A local shop, well-known shop out in Charlotte, handled the subframe reinforcement. And the total ticket on that, along with a cooling system overhaul, was just under $11,000. So this has the full subframe reinforcement, even at 50,000 miles, full cooling system overhaul, and basically open checkbook maintenance on this guy. So this is a really exciting example that we have the privilege of selling. And you will see it next week on our site. Thanks again for checking out one of our videos. Here at Atlas Motor Company, our BMW inventory gets refreshed every single week. We're gonna have fresh new content for you on a weekly basis. If you like what you guys saw, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get alerts, and we'll see you next time.